Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. With the California Corporate and California LLC extensions coming up due around the corner on March 15th, with that, it's a great idea to go ahead and make this video for you and basically show you how easy it is to make your payments online easily through the California's website and basically avoiding a trip to the post office, avoiding a certified mail, and avoiding you writing a check, which I know everyone hates these days, anyways. Before you get started, you want to have a few things handy because they are going to ask for this. The first and foremost is going to be your voucher, either for your California corporation or your LLC. You want to have that handy, and you want to make sure you're sort of familiar with it. The second piece of information is going to be your California tax ID number. Now remember, this is different than your federal tax ID or your EIN. So you want to make sure you know your California tax ID number before you start this process. And the last piece of information is going to be your checking account information or your savings account, depending on which one you want to use. But you want to have your bank account and your routing number handy because most likely we're going to go ahead and make the payment through your bank. So once you have all those information ready to go, you want to go ahead and log into www.ftb.ca.gov, and in the middle of the page you'll see a link called Make a Payment. Once you click on that, you'll see a few options here. Again, we always prefer you guys making a payment through a bank account. The credit card side or the credit card option will incur additional 2.3% charge on top of the amount you're paying. So if you can avoid that, why not? Go ahead and use your bank account. You click on the bank account, and on the next page, you'll see two more options here. Now, in this video, we're going to focus on the business side. So we're going to go ahead and use the web pay for the businesses. You click on that. Once you get here in this page, you'll see that there's a few options. Now, if you're paying a corporate California corporate tax, you want to click on the corporation. If you're paying an LLC tax, you want to click on the LLC. And again, this video, we're going to focus on the corporation. But if you have an LLC, you want to make sure you choose the LLC as one of the options, and it's going to be the same exact way. So once you click on the corporate, you want to go ahead and put your corporate tax ID number, and you want to put the information at the bottom of the page to make sure that you're not a robot. So once you have all this information entered, go ahead and click login. And on the next page, you'll see you want to go ahead and put your own name, middle initial, or last name, and click continue. On the next page, you'll see a few more options down here. Most of you are going to be either 100 or 100S. 100S is for S corporations. So once you click that, you check that off, you click continue. Again, this video is going to be focused on making extension payments. But let's say you're making an estimated tax payment or you're making a bill payment, you just choose these options as one of the payment requirements, and then you just hit continue. But again, this is going to be for the Form 3539. So if you're required to make an extension payment, you want to click on that and then hit continue. Um, Most of us are going to be a calendar year taxpayer, and this is going to be for the year 2020. So you want to make sure you click on January 1st, 2020 through December 31st, 2020. You want to put the payment voucher number or the amount that we've created for you. And down here, you just click on the calendar and you pick the date you want the payment to be processed. Now remember, this is due by the 15th. So you want to make sure you do it on or before that date. I usually pick the same day. And once you have everything entered into the website, you just click continue. The next page, you enter your routing information, your account information, you re-enter the account information to make sure it matches, and you click on checking or savings account depending on your business account type. Once you have everything entered, you click continue. It will allow you to go ahead and make the payment online. And once you made that payment, please make sure to go ahead and save either a screenshot or go ahead and print it into a PDF and send it over to us so we can incorporate that as part of your return. As always, if you have any questions or you run into any issues, please give us a call. More than glad to help you out with the process and basically save you a trip to the post office, making that certified envelope and going through the process by paying this online I think it's going to be very, very easy once you use it a few times, get used to it.